This exact framework will 2 to 3x your conversions and save you at least 15 hours a week in your trade business in less than 30 days. All right. You can see here with our 6 stages, we implement this into busy trade businesses or home improvement companies, and this literally gets them ROI within 7 to 14 days. But most of all, it handles all the inquiries. It streamlines everything into an automated system. It handles the follow-up, the chasing, the quotes, the leads, the bookings, all the way until the job is booked. All right. So what you want to have is these 6 stages in place. I'm going to show you exactly how it works and the results you can see. All right. From ads into pre-qualification, follow-up, book calls, AI quotes, follow-up, and job booked. All right. So this has been proven over 50 different businesses. Okay. And what the 6 outcomes you will get is this: simplify your home improvement operations. It'll re-engage all old leads and inquiries or leads in your system and reactivate them back into jobs or quotes. Okay, finds ready to go customers, pre-qualifies them for you. It'll book the appointment automatically or the on-site quote, okay, depending on your process. It'll chase up those quotes until they are approved, and it will then book in the job for your team in the calendar automatically week to week. Okay, this is a system that you want. All right, nothing to do with these crazy AI hype softwares. You need a system that simplifies your operations and actually gets you results. All right. So first of all, let's talk about the results. Okay. So clients that implement this system can see 44K in 30 days in the first 30 days working with us, 23K in the first 30 days working with us. Okay. 68K in the first 79 days working with us, up 470%, up 100%, up 100%. All right. 54K converted in the first, I think it was 60 days here, 50 quote calls in the first 16 days of February. Okay, and again, the results I'm showing you is now, not in the last 3 years. All right, 48 opportunities. Okay, 814K in the pipeline added in the last 79 days, 150K added in the last 30 days, 230K added in the last 30 days. All right, I just wanted to show you that first before going further. So the first thing is the lead comes into your system, whether it's through a phone call, an SMS, a social media message, or an ad. Okay, AI responds to the lead automatically within 90 seconds. Okay, starts the conversation, then pre-qualifies, then books into your calendar. You can see here whether you're a builder, landscaper, cleaner, plumber, electrician, any kind of service business, set up the AI knowledge base. It needs to know everything about your company, your pricing, your services, FAQs, everything. All right, because then it can actually have intelligent conversational flow, nurture your leads for you, and turn them into booked appointments 24/7 while you're on the tools or while you're at home chilling with the family. Okay, so everything is completely personalized. Ask some pre-qualifying questions. Okay, you can see here, ask some questions, awesome. Gives them a couple of options, books them in, done. That automatically syncs to the calendar. Okay, you can see here, appointment created. That goes into your calendar. You get the notifications, or your team does. You're all set for Thursday. Confirms a couple of times. Okay, ask them for images of what the job they want. Okay, however, I'll see you soon. My address is this. I obviously can't show you that. Following up with leads over and over and over. Okay, so you're not chasing these leads. Okay, and again, following up with quotes, so you're not doing that either. Okay, so that's what your AI should do, and this gets you 30 to 40% more conversions every single month. You should not be chasing up your leads or chasing up your quotes. You should be just growing the business. Okay, so have a system that does this for you. Again, calendar's full for our clients. Okay, this is all due to the follow-up systems and obviously the offer with the ads. Okay, this is the first week that this guy worked with us. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 qualified booked quotes in the first week. All right, pre-qualified and everything. So you can see here, leads aren't a problem. All right, book calendars, Calendly, whatever you use, ads, $19 leads, $8 leads, right? So if you create an offer good enough and you know how to use meta ads, okay, with pre-qualification funnel and the back end is sorted, you will get good business coming through. Okay, turn your leads into pre-qualified customers, turn those into quotes, and turn those into jobs booked automatically, and that updates in your system, whether it's your current CRM or this kind of system here. Okay, if you use our AI conversion engine, we install it in 48 hours into current setup, and we will literally 2x your revenue or your conversions in 30 days without more headaches, ad spend, or staff. Okay. And again, if you want to use our system, it's $300 a week to pay our team to do this for you. No risks, no contracts, no retainers. Okay, so that's up to you. We have worked with over 200 different trade businesses or home service-based businesses, so we know what we're talking about. Okay, we take over your ads, we build the systems, and AI handles all the chasing and the follow-up. Okay? And it's not just a bot; it's a intelligent AI with proper conversational flow that knows how to book appointments and pre-qualify people. Okay, proven over 50 different businesses. We find you ready to go customers, follow-up is automated, and guarantee 5+ quotes a month. Okay, because if you don't get that, you don't pay. Simple as that. And again, I'm not doing this video just to get you as a potential client. I'm showing you that a framework like this is going to make your life easier. Okay, you're going to spend less time chasing on admin. It's going to 2 to 3x your conversions without actually spending more money. All right, these systems are so crucial in this business. Okay, we've done it that many times. So this kind of framework will make your life easier. It'll make you more money, and it'll get you quick ROI. That's what you want to pay for. Okay, our team sets it up in 24 hours. We manage ongoing. You focus on the tools or your team. You can cancel anytime. If you don't get an extra 2 jobs, you don't pay. So the other option is join our community with a link below. Okay, you get free trainings, docs, scripts, and templates, and you can use the software that we use for what we're doing. Okay, if you want to work with us personally, like I said, it's only $300 a week when you're ready. Okay, but if you want to get all the follow-up scripts, the templates, the docs, the trainings, the modules, we have a completely free community to do so. So click the link below. You can access that and join free. All right, and then you can do it yourself if you want to. But otherwise, guys, please use this framework in your home improvement business and watch the leads and conversions go up. See you in the next one.